Most people get this wrong when applying for an Albert Cash advance. They assume that simply downloading the app guarantees approval. Here's the truth no one tells you. Eligibility depends on several factors, and missing just one requirement can affect whether you qualify. In this video, you'll learn the common Albert Cash advance requirements in 2026, what factors may impact eligibility, and how to improve your chances of qualifying for a higher advance amount. Let's get straight to the answer. To qualify for an Albert Cash advance, you typically need an active Albert account and a linked bank account. The platform generally reviews your banking activity to determine eligibility and available advance amounts. For example, Alex signs up for Albert and links his primary checking account. The app reviews his account activity, deposit history, and overall financial patterns before determining whether he qualifies for a cash advance. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They link a bank account that has very little activity or inconsistent deposits. Since cash advance providers often use account history to evaluate risk, limited activity can affect eligibility. One important factor is regular income. Many users who qualify have recurring deposits coming into their linked account. These deposits help demonstrate consistent cash flow and may improve eligibility. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if two people earn similar incomes, they may receive different advance amounts. That's because eligibility is often based on multiple factors, not income alone. In a minute, I'll show you one of the easiest ways to improve your chances of qualifying. Another key factor is account history. Financial apps generally prefer accounts that have been active for some time, rather than brand new bank accounts with limited transaction history. For example, Jake has used the same bank account for over a year and receives regular paychecks through direct deposit. His account history provides more information for the system to evaluate. That's a small win because maintaining a stable banking relationship may help support eligibility reviews. But here's another thing many people overlook. Negative balances, frequent overdrafts, or irregular banking activity can sometimes impact qualification decisions. While every case is different, maintaining healthy account activity can be beneficial. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users focus only on getting approved, but they forget about increasing their future eligibility. Consistent direct deposits, responsible account management, and regular banking activity may help strengthen your profile over time. The easiest way to improve your chances is to keep your linked account active, maintain regular income deposits, and ensure your banking information is accurate and up to date. So, do you qualify for an Albert Cash advance in 2026? The answer depends on factors such as your linked bank account, account history, income patterns, and overall banking activity. The key takeaway is simple. Stable finances and consistent account activity generally give you the best chance of qualifying. If this video helped you understand Albert Cash advance requirements, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.